I think I have given you the question that two forces are like F1 is equals to 2i plus 4k and F2 is equals to 3i cap plus 3j cap plus 2k cap. Am I right? There is a question I given yesterday. All of you? Yes?
Yeah.
Yeah. So F1 is equals to 2i cap plus 4k cap and F2 is equals to 3j cap plus 2k cap. So both are acting on the one body and the body displays from coordinates. What is that, everybody? 1, 0, 0, 2 from where, guys? 2, 1, 1. Then they're asking, then they're asking find the network done by the body. So what is the F net formula, everyone? We all know that F net is equals to what? Sum of the individual forces. That is what? F1 plus F2. So if you add F1 plus F2, what will happen? 2i cap plus 0 i cap, which is equals to what? 2i cap. 3j cap plus 0 j cap, which is equals to 3j cap plus 2k cap plus 4k cap, which is equals to what? 2 plus k, everybody. All of you? 6k cap. So that is what the first thing. Next. See, remember, I should not mention now x. X means only one direction. Y means also only one direction. Next, x, y, z means what? Z means also particular direction it is. But R means what? It is, at a time it is traveling more than one direction. That is what it is. R, we can say vector it is. As a particular direction it is traveling. Always you have to take it as a vector. So now what is the R vector, R1 vector? Check it, everybody. 2 points is there. This is R1 and this is R2. So R1 is equal to how much? Ik cap plus 0j cap plus 0k cap. Am I right, everybody? Clear? Same way, R2 is equals to how much, everyone? R2 is equals to how much? Tell me based upon the point. All of you. So R2 is equals to 2i cap plus 2i cap plus 1 cap plus 1k cap. So that is what. Now if I want to find R, variable vector, so what is that? R2 minus R1, so which is equals to 2i minus I, which is equals to what? I cap plus 1j minus 0, 1j cap plus 1k minus 0k, 1k cap. So this is what R. Everybody clear, all of you? Understand? Everyone? Mr. Rudreswar, late, Aswita, clear? That is what. Now you have to find it work done. So work done is equals to what is the formula? You cannot specify particular direction. So we have to use instead of yes, we have to use it what? Everybody. We have to use it R. Okay, ma? So F into R, that is what? Vector. So we can say R. Okay, now, so what is the F value? We got it already. F value is how much? Everybody check it here. Net F. 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 6k cap into R. R is equals to how much? We got it. Dot product. So I cap plus j cap plus k cap. So we all knows that if any things are dot product, if it is the dot product, so what we all people knows? I dot I is equals to 1, j cross j dot j is equals to also 1, and k dot k is equals to also 1. If it is I dot j, which is equals to 0, d dot k is also 0, and k dot I is also equals to what? Everybody? 0. Am I right? All of you? That is what. So what is the answer will come? 2i cap into I cap. What is the answer?
2.
I cap into I cap 1 plus 3j cap plus j cap, which is equals to 3. 6k cap plus 6 k cap 6, which is equals to how many joules? All of you will
11
get
joules.
11 joules. The total work done is equals to 11 joules. So that is what you have to remember. Everybody clear? I hope till here everyone solved. Am I right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So any doubt, anybody can ask. So now, till now we are studying Newton's, whatever you can take it. So, which is the applied force is what? Remains, everybody? Applied force is equals to remains what? All of you? Constant. Okay. So everything is applicable till now what we have done. All the things, the F applied is always remains constant. So now if suppose if we apply variable force, do you all understand, everybody? If we apply variable force, then what is the work done? Shall we go with that now, everybody? If you are ready, I will proceed it. So if I go with the variable force, so then all of you remember, for example, F is equals to 2 into X. This is what the given force. So can you tell me? So is it possible to find the applied force? Definitely it is X times. So maybe X is equals to how much? For example. So if I calculate the work done, when body displaces, when the body displaces from X is equals to 1 to X is equals to 3. Is it okay? All of you? Ashita, understand, Manya? That is what. So now we all knows that.
Yes, sir.
So basically, if you notice it, work done by constant force, we cannot supposed to use this formula. So what is the formula for us? We all people knows that work done is equals to, what is the formula? Work done is equals to F into S into cos theta. Now do you think that here, if you notice it, F is remains constant or variable? Everybody. In this form, according to this formula, F is remains what? It's just a constant. So that is why here work done by contact force, because if you notice it here, all of you, so if you see here, if the work is done by the constant force, this is the formula, then we are not supposed to use this F changes. Do you all understand, everybody? So please be very careful. Not supposed to use, okay, if F changes. Do you all understand what I'm saying, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that is what. So if you use this formula, it is not possible to use. Only this formula we can use it, what, everybody? All of you?
F is constant.
Applied forces remains. If applied force is not constant, then you cannot use this friction, this work done formula. W is equals to F into S into cos theta. Understand, Adreswa, for those? So that is why. So
Yes,
during that time, we people will go with the method called as, that is what we have a
integration.
we have a concept called as integration, which is actually at the second chapter we studied. You might be remember, if it is a non-uniform motion, how to find the area under the graph. Everybody remember? Yes?
Yes, sir.
That is what. So we will have, by the time what we'll use, guys, all of you keep it in mind. If it is work done by contact force is remains constant, then here what will happen, guys? We will use it. This normal formula it is not supposed to use, as it forces remains constant. We have to use what, everybody? All of you respond. We have to use a concept called as mathematical concept. Second chapter beginning you might be studied.
Integration.
We used to call it as what, everybody? Yes, please.
Integration.
Integration.
So let us see. So as I said, force is remains constant or variable? Everybody? Remains?
Variable.
Variable.
Graph will never be a straight line. Am I right? Everyone? Speak, Ra.
Yes, sir.
That is what.
Yes, sir.
Of course, X and Y is in straight line. Don't make it some other thing. Okay, now let me imagine the applied force is started here and it went like this. So this is what it is. Now, so we want, for example, I will take a small strip here, nano strip, extremely small strip. All of you check it, everybody. So I have taken what? Extremely small strip. Let me take, we all people knows this is x-axis and this is what axis, everybody? Y-axis. Okay, wow? Speak, everyone. Now, so this is the force applied. I want to find, I will say that area under this small part, chota, very, very small thin strip. So thin strip means this is fully X. Then this will become what, everybody? Very, very thin strip. We can take it as a what? Everybody? Dx, not delta X. We'll take it as a what, everybody? Dx. Understand, Emma? So then, what is the area of the strip? Anybody can tell? Area of the strip is equals to formula. Length is equals to, that is what applied force, and this is the width. So what is that, everybody? Can you tell me? Area of a strip is equals to force into dx. Will you all agree with me? Force into dx. Yes, mister? Please speak, everybody. So because what is the formula? Area. This is a, looks like a rectangle. So what is the area of a rectangle formula? All of you. Length into
Breadth.
so, but is it will give you the total work done? No, it will give you the work done.
No, sir. Integration.
Yeah, usually I'm not hearing your voice. You can speak. So is it the total value, total work done, or only work done across this particular region? Everybody. So it is particular region, so that it is extremely smaller or bigger. Everybody.
Small.
Small, extremely small work done. Now,
Smaller.
if I want, but work done means keep it in mind. How to calculate work done? The total area under this graph. That is what work done. Understand, Ra, Pradosh? So let me consider now, till here it is. So total work done, I will consider as, so we all people knows, this is the total distance travel, okay, and this is the total here. So they can easily find, but it is a constant force or variable force, everybody. It is the
Variable.
variable. F is not remains constant, but we have to find the total area. Why total area? Total area is equals to what? Speak loudly. Total area is equals to what, everybody? Total
Work done.
work.
Work done.
That's all. Now, so how to do it now? One step I have made. Like that, how many steps I have to make it? Let me make millions of steps. You can make it. Understand? Small, narrow steps. Everybody, please respond. All of you.
Yes,
And
sir.
this is the first one. This is the first kind
Yes,
of
sir.
step. You can take it. So, like this, you can calculate the number of number of things which you have been received. Just please remember that. So the area under this, you can find it anything. So the area under this is equals to each part, the distance is dx. Here also distance is dx. Here also distance is dx. Here also distance is dx. Then what else will happen? This is, let me assume this is f means, then this will become what? Everybody, let me take f1. And this will become what? F2. This will become what? F3. This will become what? F4. So that's all. Then what is the total area, everybody? Total area is equals to total work done, which is equals to, can I say, everybody speak, look into the board screen now. First part, F1 dx. Second part is F2 dx. Third part is F3 dx, and so on, so on, so on. Am I right, everybody? Will you all agree with me? All of you? So now, instead of F1, F2, F3, which is equals to F1 plus F2 plus F3, which is equals to F. Then what it will say, guys? Total area is equals to, work done, everybody. Total area is equals to, what is that? F dx, integral part of force into
dx.
distance. And this is the equation we are not using first time. This equation already we used it many times in the second chapter. Am I right or wrong? F dx. Clear, everybody? So that is what. So that the area under this graph will gives us what, everybody? Speak loudly. The area under this graph will gives us what? Yes, please. Total work done by the body. So which is means I can write it as a total work done. Total work done is equals to F into dx. Am I right, guys? Will you all agree with me? Everybody, please make it fast. Now, so there is a limit. You always take, you have to notice. So definitely there is a limit. Let me take the limit is x1 to x2. So that is what the limit. So by the time work done is equals to, what is the formula will come? All of you. So work done is equals to, okay. So x1 to x2 into f dx. That is what everybody has to be known this. Clear, everybody? So work done is equals to f dx. Any problem in this? Let me know. Understanding, Amma? All of you? So that is what it is. So next, variable force means what in the sense of, what do you mean by that? Work done is equals to what, everybody? Remember that. Area under, speak raw, area under curve. Okay, everybody? So that is what is equals to work done. So what is the work done formula? Fastly. So x1 to x2 f dot dx. So we all knows that. Okay, so w is equals to f into s, but here f is what? Remains, all of you. F is what? Everybody, remains
Constant.
So what is the work done formula? Work done is equals to force dot displacement. That's all it is. So how to find that, everyone? You can assume that graph. Okay. So if you want, you can assume. So here x-axis, let me take y1, and this point they will extend to that y2, and this point they will extend, which is equals to like near to that almost. You have to verify it. Understand, Rudreswa? Clear? All
Yes,
of
sir.
you, that is what. So how to find it? Forces. Now we can see, sorry, that our total work done. This is F1, this is F2, and this is F3, and this is F4. So how to find it? By using integration. We will just break every part into small strips. and we'll find the total area so that it will give you the total understanding work done by the body. I hope understand everybody. Please respond if anybody having any doubt. Clear, guys? Yes? All of you? So that is what.
Yes, sir.
Now, if you understand this concept, so let us solve the question immediately. So there is a graph which is y-axis and there is a graph which is x-axis. So now the question goes like this. Okay. So this is dotted lines. I don't want to mention it, but it came unfortunately. So this is what the graph. So now question to you all people is find the work done. That's all. So find the work done means how we can find everybody. Area under the respond everybody. Area under the what? Work done is equals to what? Everybody. Area under the graph, which is equals to. So what is the area under this graph? Check it, everybody. This is rectangle. And this one is what? Everybody. Triangle. So the area of a rectangle, how much it is? Graph I have not mentioned. This is 10 and midpoint is 5. And this is, okay, here. Here it is the 5 and here it is the 10. Is it okay, guys? Everybody clear? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Please respond.
Yes, sir.
That is what. So work done is equals to area. So what is the area? First to check it, everybody. 10 into 5, length into breadth, which is equals to how many joules? All of you. Speak, Ra. 10
50
into
joules.
50 joules plus next one. Area of a triangle. What is the formula? Half into, again same thing. So base into height. So base is equals to how much?
Height.
Base is
5.
equals to A.
5.
Yeah, base is equals to 5 and height is equals to how much, guys? Height is
10.
equals to 10.
10.
So equals to 5. So 2 ones are 2 5s are. So which is equals to, what is that? 10 5s are 50 plus 5 5s are 25. So which is equals to how many joules, guys? Everybody?
75.
75.
That is what you have to understand. Okay, guys, everybody, how to find it, everyone? Please speak around.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is what it is. Next question. If is this question completed, let me know. Then we'll go with the next question. Mr. Monish, Rudreswar, understanding? Princey, Mr. Rishi.
Yes,
Don't
sir.
know what you are doing. Aswita, clear? Aswita, till here? Any doubt? Let me know. Yeah, now also your voice is not heard specifically, Shali. Just check it. What is the problem? I don't know. So we'll go with the next, everybody.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So that is what let us take it now. So the next concept which we see that the next question. So the force F is equals to 2x. Now tell me, is it a variable force or fixed force? Everybody. It is the
Variable.
variable force. So then F is equals to 2x variable force. Then calculate x is equals to 1 meter. Okay. So x 2. You can take it. X2 is equals to 3 meters. Okay, Ra, everybody? So that is what. Now you tell me, F is equals to 2x. Is it a constant or variable? Speak, everybody. It is the variable.
Variable.
Variable means immediately your mind should say, you have to use it what? Work done is equals to. Yes, please. Integration of. Respond, Ra.
FDX.
X.
FDX.
So integration of f dx. So integration of f dx. So x1, x2. What is the integration of f dx? Check it, everybody. 2x into dx. Am I right or wrong? Everybody? Speak, Ra. That is what.
Yes, sir.
So next 2 will I'll put down. Then you can notice it. Integration of dx is be there. So 2 if I put outside, then so what is the limits it will turn? It will turn into x square by 2 into limits you have to practice 1 to 3. Am I
3
right?
1.
Will you all agree with me?
Yes,
Am
sir.
I doing anything wrong, Rudreswa? Then 2 will get cancelled. This will become 3 square minus 1 square, which is equals to how much it is? 9 minus
9 minus 8.
equals to how many joules, everybody?
8 joule.
Okay.
8 joule.
Anybody having any doubt, please kindly let me know. Do you all understand, guys? Everybody? Yes? Mr. Rishi, Rohit,
Yes.
Sai Karthik, anything doubt, please kindly let me know.
Sir.
All of you understand, Amma?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Anything doubt for those in this? Understood?
Understood, sir.
Yeah, very good. Next question. So the force F applied is equals to x square I cap plus 2y j cap. X square I cap plus 2y j cap. Now, all of you observe. both displacement from they displaces from 1, 2 to 3, 4. Find the work done. That is the question. Find the what, everybody? Find the work done. Okay. So now we have to see that force is variable. So F is variable. So means we have to take it. What will happen? Integration or differentiation? Speak loudly. If it is variable
Integration.
force, it is integration. So what is the formula? Double E. As it is Titan, there is no fixed position. So what is that, everybody? F into dr. Am I right or wrong? So this is the work done formula when force is, everybody,
Variable.
and force is variable. Okay. So this is the formula. Then sir, if I say X means particularly X direction, Y means Y direction, Z means Z direction. But if you notice it here, so what do you mean by R, all of you? R is equals to Xi cap plus Yj cap plus 2k cap. Now then, you have to remember, if I do the difference like dr, d times of R, then this also will turns into dx I cap plus, next dy j cap plus ky 2k, k 2k cap. Is it okay, everybody? Any problem? You can respond. All of you. So sorry, here not k, dk 2k cap. Is it okay, guys? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Respond. So that is what. Now we have to find the work done. So I found the dr alone. So what is the work done formula? Speak loudly. Work done is equals to force into
Integration of
force
dx.
into dr, not dx. Clear, everyone? Understand the importance? All of you? So f dr. So that's all. Then f value we
Okay.
already got it. So what is the f value? Check it, everybody. Is there anything given f value? Yes, x square I cap plus 2y j cap. So what is that, everybody? F value? All of you? X square I cap plus 2y j cap
Yes.
dot, what is happening? Dx I plus dy j plus dz k cap. Is it okay? Ellame understood? Speak loudly. All of you. So
Yes,
that is
sir.
the first thing. Next, you can undergo cross product. So cross product means how it will be takes place. All of you. So x square into dx, it will turns into x square dx plus y, 2y into what, dy, which will be become into 2y into dy. Again, integration of, what is that? Limits R1 to R2. Okay, everybody. Now the values they have given. What is the values they have given? It will move from where to where? 1,
Sir, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4.
yeah, 3 to
1 to 2.
like this
4.
example, if you observe. So now, if you see, they are doing, you all can see that x square dx plus 2y into dy. So what is the answer? X square dx formula, everybody. So work done is equals to, what will happen? Applied force into the force applied into displacement of the body. So now, is it the force remains constant or variable? Here, force is variable or remains constant? Is what is my question. Everybody, it is variable. Clear, everyone? So we all people will get it. So you can take anything like work done if you want to calculate, which is equals to the force exerted by the body, which is on like F into dr. Okay, everybody? So that is what you have to remember. All of you understand, Amma? Anybody? So our duty is what? To find this one. So we got it already. F is equals to what? By this time it is there in our mind. What is that? F is equals to, fastly, guys.
X square I cap plus 2 y j cap.
Yes.
X square I cap plus 2y j cap.
Yeah. X square I cap plus 2y j cap. Okay.
J cap.
Next. Dot. Dr is equals to, just now we studied, dx I cap plus dy j cap plus dz k cap. Am I right, all of you?
J cap.
That's all. You can make the limits now. R1, R2 limits. This will become x square dx. Everything, remaining all the things will be deleted. So like I'm saying, I'm removing it. Okay. So x into dx, x square dx. Next, anything, same thing means only three things are positive. I dot I positive, j dot j is also positive, k dot k is also what? Everybody. Yes, please. K dot k is also positive. Okay. So I dot I, x square dx. Next, y. 2y into dy, which is equals to what? Everybody, 2y dy plus next last one, k cap is not there, so that we can put it how much,
Zero.
guys? 0. Okay, that's all it is. So we can go with the limits now. So we can split the limits also. So limits r1 r2, which is equals to x square dx plus limits here 3 to 4, which is respect to what is that? 2y into dy. Now fastly tell me integration of x square. Integration of x square, x cube by 3, which is like we can say 1 to 3. Next, plus integration of, you can see that what will happen, everybody? So integration of 2 will be remains outside, so it will become what? 2. Yes, please speak, everybody. Y into dy divided by y. Am I right? Sorry, dy into how we can write this one? Everybody, 2 is outside. Y dy. Am I right or wrong? Not dy, y dy. Is it right? Speak, Ra. Everybody. So 2 is common.
Yes,
So
sir.
it will turns into y dy. Y
Y.
dy. Okay. Now y dy means we can write it. What we can write? Next step. Let me write it next step. So what will happen? X cube is x power 3. X power 3 whole power 3 divided by 3. Okay. Whole power 3. I'm making. Plus this one is also same. So what will happen, everybody? Speak loudly. So what is the LCM of y? What is the LCM of y? Y square, y plus y power. What is that? Y x integration of y dy. How much, Ra? Answer. Speak, everybody. Integration of y dy.
Y square by 2, sir.
Yeah, y
Y
square.
square.
Yeah, this is also
Y square by
y square by 2. Limits is from where to where? 3 to 4. That's all.
3 to
Okay, everybody. So that is what you have to remember. Now, can I get cancel this 2 and 2, everybody? Am I right?
yes, sir.
That's all. So then you can substitute 3 value in x cube by 3 minus x value is 1 by 3. So is it clear, everybody? All of you respond. Plus, can you able to hear me, everyone? So plus, what is that actually? It is the bodies. Next one is what? Everybody. So x cube. So now plus, you can notice it. I want to erase this just a minute. So this is what? Plus. Okay. So next, what else happened, guys? Y square. So y square means I can write it. So y
4 square minus 3 square.
y square means I can say 4 square minus this
3
one.
square.
Yeah, 3 square. That's all it is. So if I make this one, so that what will happen, everybody? This one will turns into x 3 power 3 divided by 3 minus 1 by 3 plus 4 square 16 minus 9. How much, guys? 16 minus 9 is equals to, yes, please.
7.
7. Okay. Understand, Rudreswar? So then you have
Sir,
to,
one doubt, sir.
yes, ask.
Sir, here we are taking 3 to 1 as limit. We have to take here 4 to 2 to 4 only, no, sir. 3 to 4, how, sir, we are taking?
What is the limits? Maybe I may forget that limits. What is the limits I have given? 1 to 2 and 3 to 4. Am I right?
Yes, sir. X we want to take 1, 3 and
Yes,
only
yes, yes.
3
This is
2, 4, sir.
yeah.
Here
This
2
is
will come, sir.
here 1, 2. Am I right? Limit.
Sir, in X we have to take 1, 3, no, sir.
Yeah. Sorry. Yeah. 1, 3. And here y value. Yes. Sorry. So that value is 3.
2 to 4.
1, 2 means x and y, and 3, 4 means x and y. So this is x2 and this is x1, and this is y2 and this is y1. So 4 and 2. Am I right? Rudreswar?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So 2 square. So 2 square means 4. So 16 minus 4, which is equals to how much it is? Everybody. Which is equals to, yes, please. 12. Correct? So 3 square means 27 divided by 3 minus 1 by 3 plus this is 12. So let me take now LCM is 3. So how much it will come? Everything. 27 is already there. Here 3. Next plus 12 3s are 12 into 3.
Sir, why sir minus 3?
Where? Oh, 3 is
Sir,
there.
21 minus 1.
Sorry, Prakash. Yeah, 1. And 12 threes are
36, sir.
36.
36.
That's all. So then what is the answer, everyone? So this is 26 plus 36 divided by 3. So how much is the answer? 12,
3.32.
62. So 62 divided by 3. Am I
62.
right? So that is what it is. Okay, understand everybody? All of you? So
Yes,
what
sir.
that is equals to, that is the answer. Clear, Dreswa? Purima?
Yeah.
Yeah. So that is what you have to remember it. Everybody clear? Understood or not? Next.
Yes,
So
sir.
let me similar question
Yes,
see
sir.
that. X cube I cap plus y square j cap. What is the given function, everybody? X cube I cap plus y square j cap. Okay. Then displacement function is, yeah, 1 minute. So we have done 8 joules and then we'll came with the x square. Okay. So please all of you write this. Next, what will happen? What is the given force? Applied force is equals to minus x cube I cap plus y square j cap. Next, the question is find work done if body displaces. If body displaces from 2, 3 to 6, 5. So here this is R1 and this is R2. So can I take, let me, this is XY and this is also XY. Everybody clear, everyone? Please respond. All of you.
Yes,
That's all. So now they're asking work done. Work done is equals to what? Integration of F into dr. Am I right, guys? Everybody? Yes?
Yes.
Yeah, just now we have previous question we studied. dr is equals to what is that? Dx I cap plus dy, speak loudly, dy j cap plus dz k cap. Okay. So here we have done, you just check it. What is R value? So R value is xi cap plus d yj cap plus 2k cap. So if I do differentiation, dxi cap plus dy y cap plus dk, that is what? dk 2 is there, so 2k cap. Is it okay, guys? We have done or not already? Yes, please. The similar thing
Yes,
we
sir.
have to do it here. So that's all it is. So now you observe very carefully limits. So what is the first one? You all can know. So dr it is. So dr means I no need to do R1 and R2. Understand, Ra? All of you? So R1 value how much? Check it, everybody. R1, R2. How much it will come? We have to find it. If you want, you can find it also. We'll see that. So now let me see. Now F value how much, guys? Minus x cube I cap plus y square j cap. Y square j cap dot, what is the dr value? Check it, everybody. Dr value everybody. Dx I cap plus dy j cap plus dz.
K cap.
Then again same. I dot I is equals to 1. K dot j is equals to what? J dot j is equals to also 1. K dot k is equals to also 1. Am I right? Correct? Dot product, everybody. So that what will happen here, everybody? X cube into dx minus x cube dx, y into the, see here, y into dz, which will turns into y square dy. Am I right or wrong, everybody? Y square
Yes, sir.
dy. Then plus
Yes, sir.
k cap, nothing is there. So that what will happen here? No k cap, here k is
0.
there. 0. So which will turns into integration of minus x cube dx plus y square dy.